Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work, kind of. I forgot to do the intro. I'm doing it after work. Anyways, let's get it done. Let's go. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Daylight is getting shorter. It is pretty dark out still. Fall season is upon us. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Hope it's not too dark for you guys. PTO shut off because I went over speed. Let's wait for it to click back on. There it goes. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Yes, sir. Radio's clear. Three different switches for the automated arm. Left is arm out and in. Clamp closed in the middle. Clamp open. Up and down. Cart up. Up and down. So the first one I use is pre-grip. Pre-grip right there. Then it's the left one, arm out. Line it up. Clamp, close, the middle one. And then finally, arm up. Arm down. Open clamp. Arm in. Clamp. Open, wide open. Three different switches. Looks like I made a mess. Why? Look at this. See that? It's stuck in there. Let's loosen it up so when I try again it'll actually fall. Line it up. Pick it up. This one feels heavy. Don't forget to drop a like. What am I doing? Yard waste? Finally, some trash. All right. Oh, looks like I got myself a challenge. I don't know what they expect for gravity to do, but I'm expecting for gravity to do its job. Let's check it out. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Yeah, there it goes. Gravity. Foam. Nice. Next. Go forward. Alright, this one was good to go. Oh, this one's pretty heavy. We're gonna let it go down a little bit. It's going down by itself. Gravity, you know. And then try it again. There it goes. Good job, my guy. That's what happens when you overfill your cans. All three of them. If you don't care, don't expect me to care. Some cans that the lids are closed. Nice. Pre-grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Loose paper. right. I believe this truck picks up roadkill. Here's this white one. Why is it white? I don't know. Baby truck. And these ones should pick. Hey, what's up, man? Pick up the cans right there. That one picks up the cans or delivers the brand new ones. More brand new lids. I guess they have to put them together when they get here. And there's a lot of them. No, not those. Over there. Ooh, pallets and pallets of them. Anyways, I gotta go. Brandon has a game today. Ellie Danny out. I don't even know how much these guys get paid. That'll be a good way to start here. Pretty sure they're done.